Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss what is literary criticism, its objective types shortly, and its significance. Literary criticism is the analysis, interpretation, and evaluation of literature. It's a field that seeks to understand the various aspects of literary works, including their structure, style, themes, and historical context. Literary criticism is an essential discipline within the realm of literature that aims to deepen our understanding of literary texts, enhance our appreciation of their artistic qualities, and uncover the broader cultural and social significance they may hold. It involves a systematic examination of literary works to discern their meanings, influences, and impacts. Key objectives. 1. Interpretation. Literary critics interpret and dissect texts to uncover their underlying themes, symbolism, and narrative techniques. They strive to unveil the author's intentions and the layers of meaning embedded in the work. 2. Evaluation. Critics evaluate the literary merit of a text, assessing its artistic quality, originality, and impact on readers. They may also consider how a work fits within the broader literary tradition. 3. Historical and cultural context. Understanding the historical and cultural context in which a literary work was produced is crucial. Critics examine how societal norms, events, and ideologies of the time may have influenced the author and the text. 4. Comparative analysis. Critics often compare a work to others within the same genre, period, or author's body of work. Comparative analysis helps identify unique features and contributions of the text in question. Types of literary criticism. There are several approaches to literary criticism, including 1. Formalism. Focuses on the intrinsic elements of a text, such as its structure, language, and style, to understand its meaning and artistic qualities. 2. Historical criticism. Emphasizes the historical context in which a work was created, considering how it reflects or responds to the events and ideas of its time. 3. Biographical criticism. Examines an author's life and experiences to shed light on the text's meaning and motivations. 4. Psychological criticism. Analyzes characters' motivations and the author's psyche to explore the psychological aspects of a text. 5. Feminist criticism. Explores how gender roles, power dynamics, and societal norms influence the portrayal of women and gender-related themes in literature. 6. Marxist criticism. Investigates how class and economic structures impact literary works and the portrayal of social issues. 7. Postcolonial criticism. Examines the representation of colonialism, imperialism, and cultural identity in literature from formerly colonized regions. Significance. Literary criticism is significant for several reasons. 1. Enhanced understanding. It deepens our understanding of literature, allowing us to appreciate the subtleties and complexities of literary works. 2. Cultural insight. Literary criticism helps us gain insight into different cultures and historical periods, fostering cultural awareness and empathy. 3. Literary evolution. It contributes to the ongoing evolution of literary traditions by identifying new trends, styles, and voices. 4. Critical thinking. Engaging with literary criticism promotes critical thinking skills and encourages readers to question and analyze texts more thoughtfully. 5. Academic discourse. Literary criticism is a cornerstone of academic literary studies, fostering scholarly dialogue and research. In conclusion, literary criticism is a multifaceted field that enriches our engagement with literature by providing tools and perspectives to analyze, interpret, and appreciate literary works in all their complexity and richness. It plays a vital role in preserving and advancing the cultural and intellectual heritage of humanity through the exploration of literary texts. Thanks.